Hey everyone, I get asked quite a lot about what's happening in the technology space moving forward. I'm not only going to look at what's happening in 2021, I'm going to be looking at what's going to come up in 2022 and what you need to pay attention to as an accommodation owner or manager. The first thing that's going to be really important in 2022 are QR codes. Now I know that they've been around for a while, but the mass adoption has happened. People now know what they are and how to use them, but the one thing that hasn't happened is people haven't figured out the best ways to use them within their properties. You need to start to expand your thoughts and think about different ways that you can implement this technology to improve your guest experience. QR codes will become more and more prominent as you provide more information to guests in a really easy way for them to be able to consume. For example, with a Wi-Fi password, rather than having a little card with the code that they have to type in, what you'll have is you'll have a QR code, they'll just scan that and then straight away get connected through to the Wi-Fi. You're going to be putting map into your QR codes. You're going to be asking for guest feedback through the QR codes. Other really great things that you can do with QR codes is leave little Easter eggs. And by Easter eggs, I mean that they're little things that people don't expect, little nice things where you can put a QR code, they scan it, and they get delighted through a positive experience. You can ask for guest reviews and feedback through QR codes at the end. It's all about making life a lot easier for your guests. The second thing that's going to happen is you're going to have all your communication channels merged into one platform so that it's easier for you to be able to interact with your guests. So we're talking email, we're talking SMS, we're talking about Instagram, Facebook, all the messages that come through from the OTAs. Now we might not have all of them integrated into one spot, but most of these platforms are going to start to go into one place where you'll be able to communicate out, because right now it's unmanageable and that technology will catch up by 2022. Voice technology is going to make a huge impact in 2022. This is because voice technology is growing in leaps and bounds, and now there's natural language processing where computers can actually understand what people are saying. The more this happens, the more people are going to ask for answers using voice technology. This is going to be incredibly important in terms of people booking your accommodation, people interacting with your accommodation once they're there. Another important part of the technological landscape change in 2022 will be Google. Google is going to be making more progress in terms of getting your guests connected directly with you to book with you, therefore cutting out the OTA. What Google wants to do is they want to provide a really great experience for their users where they can get the answers that they need through their platform without having to go to different places. That's going to make a significant change in 2022. The last part is going to be mass personalization and micro moments. Micro moments is all about using technology and artificial intelligence to be able to give people what they need in an instantaneous second. This will come more and more within your accommodation, within your space, to be able to give people answers and give them the services that they actually need. The other part that will happen more and more is there'll be mass personalization. So making sure that what they're looking for specific to them is included in their accommodation, in their search results, and everything that they're looking for. This is going to make a significant impact in the way that people book and what their expectations are as guests. Folks, those are the top 5 changes that you need to pay attention to for 2022. There's going to be a lot of different things that will be happening, but those are the top 5 that you need to start looking out for now, and you can start implementing some of these ideas to make sure that your business is technologically future-proofing itself. Have a fantastic day. Make sure that you share this video if you liked it. Give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. I would love to know what you think is going to be the biggest change in technology for 2022. Have a terrific day.